Hey y'all, so we are at the end of this video. I'm currently in my bathroom filming this because the lighting is just like a little better in here. It's daylight outside. I didn't feel like using my ring light. But I did this lip for all the people who always say, why you always overline your top lip? This is why. Because you can't even see the definition in my top lip when I don't overline it. And I wear light colored lips. I hate the way this looks, but I just want to show y'all what it looks like so y'all can see. Now, some of y'all might think it's cute, but in my opinion, I can't even see my top lip. Like, I don't even see the lip line, but whatever. I'm just gonna show you guys what I ended up getting from TJ Maxx. So the first thing that I did was I picked up this really cute Barbie shirt. It says Barbie in hot pink with black lining or black tracing, whatever you want to call it. And it's like a tie-dye, like a really pale pastel blue tie-dye and white. So cute. I thought it was so cute. Y'all know I love any type of graphic tees. The shirt was $9.99. The next thing I picked up was this Kissable, or I guess the brand is called Kissable, by MAXX Cosmetics headband. Y'all know I love wearing these when I do my makeup, so I picked up a new one. This one has like the little puff balls. I've never had any headbands like this. Most of mine are like bows, so I was like, well, let me try something new. This one was $3.99. Hopefully y'all can see that. The next thing that I picked up was this Onyx Bathhouse Foaming Body Scrub Goddess with apricot. It's like a body scrub, exfoliate and hydrate. That's what it looks like. Y'all saw it in the video. I didn't show you guys this exact one, but I think I showed y'all another one. Or maybe I did show y'all this exact one, but it was $4.99. I actually used it for the first time today, and it smells so good. It smells better than I thought it did. I kind of ripped it like open like a little small corner in the store just so I could smell it a little bit. Because I didn't want to open it too much to where it looked like somebody like might have put their fingers and stuff in it. So I just did like a little small one just in case somebody else wanted to get it and I didn't want it anymore. But I ended up loving the scent, and it smells even better when you're using it in the shower. So as you guys can see, it's like two different colors. So it's like the apricot, and I think I don't know, but it's two different colors. So it's like the orange, the white, and the orange, but it smells so good. And that was $4.99. The next thing that I picked up was this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Triple Micellar Water. So it's like makeup remover. This was $4.99. I'm really not sure of the original price, but this one was $4.99. I've been needing a makeup remover for a few weeks because the one that I normally use I get from I don't know if you guys know, but Dollar Tree has this makeup remover water. It's like a micellar water, and it's so good, and it works better than the Garnier one. So I started using that one, but I've been going to Dollar Tree for like since before Christmas, and it hasn't been there. So yeah, I was just like, let me try this one since I saw it in TJ Maxx, and this one is $4.99. I'm not sure the original price, but it was $4.99. The next thing that I picked up was something that I was in need of because mine are not working as good as they used to. These are the Duo Tweezer set by the company Danielle Creations. So it's like the regular tweezers and then the little pointy ones. I've been needing these, and I decided to get some white ones this time. The ones that I had before were black and silver, but I like the color of this. And these were $3.99. Hopefully it's not blurry. And last but not least, I picked up this Makeup Revolution strobe highlighter. I feel like I used to have this but I think it broke, like it shattered, so I ended up throwing it away. But it was $2.99. Y'all saw it in the video. I ended up getting it, so I can't wait to use this. I should have used it today, but it was in the bag still, so I forgot all about it. But yeah, nobody has used it. It still has a little tape on it. There's no fingerprints. So when you're buying products, like makeup products from TJ Maxx, you want to make sure you check and see if there are any fingerprints or anything like that before you purchase it. But even if you don't check before you purchase, you can always bring it back and like let them know that you saw fingerprints in it when you got home, and then you can just get your money back. But make sure you keep your receipts, or they'll just have you exchange it for something else. But that's pretty much everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are happy that I brought back another TJ Maxx makeup find, skincare, hair care, body care, and all that. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.